Y'all ain't ready for this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I will be showing you my ct200u-ex Coleman mini bike.
And my purple flower moped.
Yeah, it's pretty trash. This one's cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna get it started. So, go like this. Since this is the first time I've been on it today, I'm gonna have to let it run for
No, wait, this is the first time you ever rode this thing?
No, today it's the first time. Oh wait, hold on. Remember, kids, gotta turn it on. That's pretty important.
And also, this video may contain violence for kids 5 and younger, so do not let younger children watch this, please. We do not want to get bad reviews.
Since when was it violence ever involved?
Okay.
Since we're gonna have to let this run for like 30 seconds to a minute because we just have to get the engine started and ready. Alright, that's probably good. Oh, I'm an idiot.
What happened?
I just love the smell of gasoline in the afternoon. Oh God! What are you guys trying to do? Run me over? Nice job, guys.
Right,
Oh, Jesus!
Alright guys, so why don't we do a race?
No!
So we're gonna start at that mailbox right there. Show the mailbox. Show the mailbox.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
And then, ready? Turn. We'll go to that mailbox.
Okay.
Down there. The white one. The white mailbox.
Okay.
Alright, so let's get started. Let's see who wins. Laura. So you go all the way down there to the white mailbox.
Okay.
Zoom in, okay?
And Seamus' viewers who don't know this, I'm his cousin.
And then Laura, go like 3, 2, 1, and then go to that to go, alright?
Okay.
Hurry up, go.
Like to the white mailbox, is that what you're saying? Three, 2, 1. Sorry guys, I didn't get that. There he goes. Dude, you're gonna get yourself killed. Seamus is the winner. Jeesh.